guys, it's Catherine. Do you like taking photo or video? Today I will show you guys one product, which is Full HD Wi-Fi digital video camera. Check it out. Okay, we have one camera with battery and remote controller with battery, one MIC with battery, the lens cap, USB cable and HD cable, the camera bag, shoulder strap, user manual for both camera and the MIC. This camera with 8 megapixel CMOS sensor provides you full HD digital video resolution, 24M photo resolution. The external MIC with windscreen to minimize the environment noise, give you a nice and clear sound effect. Routable TFT LCD touchscreen. It supports 16x digital zoom, anti-shake and face capture function. Support LED light compensating lamp for shooting at dark. Alright, here to install the MIC. You can also mount the LED video light here. You can connect the camera with apps via Wi-Fi. Then control it with your smartphone, such as take photo, zoom and transfer photo. They also come with the multifunctional controller. You can mount a camera lens to it. We have these two kinds of lens, which is suited for this camera. Come with front and back lens covers and lens pouch. So you will see it's very safe for those lenses. Provide you a wonderful scenery and enhance the sense of space depth.